Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. So I was going through my Instagram and I saw some really cute videos, especially of people doing their makeup without mirror. So it's called the no mirror challenge, and I was like, oh, this is good. And for the longest time I actually wanted to do it, no jokes, but I haven't either had the chance and I haven't had the lever. So just before we start here, because my camera has a viewfinder, so I feel like I'm going to be, even though I use glasses, so I literally can't see myself clearly on the viewfinder, but just so we're very transparent, I'm going to move, just before I start my makeup, I'm going to move viewfinder to the back so that way I can't see. There's also a window in front of me, but trust me, it's not transparent. I can't see myself. I mean, it's not reflecting, so I definitely cannot see myself. So we'll be doing makeup without a mirror. I can do my face even while I'm sleeping, so face is not a problem. Eyeshadow maybe, eyeliner maybe, lashes maybe, eyebrows definitely not, but we'll see. So if you want to see how well I perform without a mirror doing my makeup, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and flip the screen and then we'll get started. So to start off, I haven't had my bath and any of that, so I'm just gonna start off by cleaning my face. I always start off with a moisturizer. I'm not going out and I'm not doing anything major, but just to show you guys the full process. Jeez, it feels so weird not having a mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna prime my face, moisturize my face right now. So next I'm gonna prime my face, and to prime my face I'll be using the Maryann Okonkwo primer. And for foundation, I'll be using the Super Stay foundation. Okay, so
"2,000 years later."
I'm just blending away because I'm not sure if it's blended well, so it's better. And to highlight, I feel this thing will not put me inside trouble today because it's usually too light. Just gonna place this under my eyes. I hope I'm doing it well. To contour, I'll be using the black opal. I always say that I want to get it in my shade, but I never ever do, because it has this velvety feel. It will give you such a beautiful finish if you know how to use it. So, but if you don't know how to use it, you're just gonna look like a bag of oil of plantain or fried eggs that they use too much oil to fry. So just using my 4-color brush, and I'm using my highlighter. Babe, oh, it's open. I'm filming a video.
You're filming a video?
Yeah.
Right now?
Makeup with no mirror.
Nice.
How am I doing so far?
Not bad, that's really good.
Does it look weird?
No, it looks even.
Okay.
It's even, homogeneous, and all the many things.
And I'll be using this powder. This is the Flawless Ivy compact powder in the shade Ivory. I used this powder once and I absolutely love the finish that it gives to the skin. So little tiny bit goes a long way. 11,000. It was like a, you know how this lower total light is like right now it's 68,000 naira, but when it came out newly it was 150,000. And I think the reason why it was that pricey was because a lot of people wanted to use it. The same thing with ring lights. When ring lights came out newly, it was like a thing of, oh, I must have it, I must have it, I must have it. And then it cost a lot, and it cost like 60,000 naira initially. So, and as time went on and people became more educated about makeup and lighting and whatnot, and there were more lighting options available. So if you don't want to get a ring light, you can get a softbox, which is actually more affordable than the ring light. So depending on the store you go yours from. So I'm going to be using this 4-color ever-changing eyeshadow palette, and I was packing my stuff the other day, realized that I've only used this palette once, and mind you, it's just a really, like, it's a gorgeous palette. Like, all the colors are super pigmented and they are so beautiful. There was one I had, the Eye Magic, the square one, I've forgotten the name of that palette. I'm going to be using this shade called Fall. It's a beautiful maroon shade, and it's, you can use it as a transition shade, which is basically what I'm going to be using it for. So I'm going to be using the shade called Mist. Mist is this color here, very dark brown. Brushes. Tap. Next, some mascara, and I'll be using the salon, of course. Now to the babe. Okay, I wanted to show you the finished look before I see it myself. Alright. So what do you think? Without letting me know.
That's really good. I can see a difference between, like, it's really accurate. It's really good.
I feel like this lash is like,
Yeah, what happened to it?
like it's lifting.
It's lifting. Man, don't you people's eyelashes lift normally? I don't know what the difference is. Okay, I think.
Can you see it?
I mean, this is not like, the edge here is not like glued. It's off.
Okay.
It's off your lid. This one is good, but this one, the edge is off your lid. But like the makeup, the accuracy, the, what's it called now? Yeah, the highlights, contour, looking at the left side and the right side, how equal looking they are. It's like really good.
It's actually not bad.
Yeah.
It's just the lashes though, like, it's, even this one I didn't place it well. I do feel that my lashes are flying, but I really love this style because you can see my eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is okay, the eyebrows definitely not. Yeah,